This DEWALT 5-gallon wet and dry vacuum combines a compact body with a surprisingly strong 4 horsepower motor that handles both fine dust and heavier debris with ease. The ultra-quiet motor design noticeably cuts noise compared with typical shop vacuums, making it far more comfortable to use in a garage, basement, or small workshop. A tough polymer tank and included set of dust bags help keep cleanup tidy and reduce how often you need to empty the canister during bigger projects. Between the long power cord, upgraded flexible hose, and extension wands, you get enough reach to move around a vehicle, workbench, or job site without constantly changing outlets. The lightweight build, large carry handle, and smooth rolling swivel casters make it easy to wheel or lift the vacuum over different floor surfaces and thresholds. A generous accessory bundle, including floor, utility, and detail nozzles, plus washable and foam filters, lets this unit switch quickly between wet spills, shop dust, and household tasks.